Yeah. So here we continue to see the view here, and we found a bush. I don't know what is that bush. Who's that bush? Very cute. I mean, there's a lot of bush like that. I don't know what animal it is. Is it roe deer or I don't know? But a lot of that kind of bush everywhere. So because it's like a Skoggen area, so it's still a lot of animals I think here in this area. It's very good to hike here, to walk around here in this area. See, sa Skoggen now. Nasulod na to sa Skoggen or forest. Nasulod na to sa forest. Sorry kayo guys, hindi naka-nose na taan ni gamay. So mo na siya ang ilang forest beside the ocean, diba? Kung hilig ka magin ani nga area, place ganahan ka green ani, so come and visit here in Norrfallsviken. Norrfallsviken, not Norway. Sweden. So lingok ako nga anak sila. So a lot of stones there beside the ocean. Nice diri mag muni-muni, tindog-tindog. Uyawa ba ni? Grabe ba kahumok yung tamakon ang kanisya ng diri nga area. Humok man, mura magtagma lunod.